Canterbury School has empowered young leaders with curiosity, compassion, and creativity since 1993. Our 35-acre campus is designed with one goal: to develop the whole child by challenging the mind and nourishing the spirit in a diverse community guided by Judeo-Christian values. Our library's location beside the chapel symbolizes the importance we place on faith and reason side by side. Students learn through hands-on experiences in our fine arts and science centers and during twice-daily recess with their classmates. Middle school students study outdoor leadership on our climbing wall and our high and low ropes courses, where they challenge themselves in ways they never imagined they could. They learn teamwork in our athletic center and on our tennis courts, soccer field, and cross-country course. And you'll find students running science labs, canoeing, and fishing at the Canterbury Pond. But even with all of these incredible facilities, our most important resource is our people, the faculty, students, and parents who come together to form our special Canterbury community.